Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation, does not need any introduction. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust has invested in about 24 stocks for a total portfolio value of about $46 billion as of Q1 2024. 18 out of these 24 stocks pay dividends, but do you know the top 5 dividend-paying stocks with the highest dividend yield? Watch this video till the end, as there are 2 stocks which are trading below $40 if you have a smaller account and looking for a lower price stocks. Hello, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is David Das, a retired engineer, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Think and Retire. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. If you find value in this video, please like and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's get started. But why this video is important? If I'm planning to buy some shares of a company in the very near future, I will add some of these into my watch list and do more research before making any investing decisions. For each of these stocks, I have provided my buy price points for consideration. Before we proceed, I just want to make sure that you understand that this video is for educational purposes only, and I'm not your financial advisor. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. Please do your own research before investing. All the data presented here today is as of market close July 31st, 2024, and all the prices are in US dollars. The first stock on my list is Canadian National Railway Company with a ticker symbol of CNI, because that's on the US Stock Exchange. It is also traded in the Toronto Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol of CNR.TO. This company provides rail, intermodal, trucking, and maritime transportation services in US and Canada. It was incorporated in 1919 and based out of Montreal, Canada. The market cap of this company is $72.9 billion. P ratio is 19.01. Earnings per share is 6.09. Closing price on July 31st was $115.75, and the dividend yield is 2.13%. According to the analyst, the 1-year price target is $131.74. If you look at the 5-year chart, it looks uptrending. There is a small correction happening recently. In terms of valuation, the trailing PE is 19.05 and the forward PE is 20.75. So that means the analysts are expecting a decline in earnings. The debt to equity ratio is 107.77%. That seems pretty high, but it is expected for a capital intensive companies. There is a strong support at about $105 range. Maybe when the price drops down to that level, I may consider looking into that more closely. The second stock on my list is Hormel Foods Corporation, which a ticker symbol HRL. The market cap is $17.6 billion. The P ratio is 22.94. EPS is 1.40. It develops, processes, and distributes meat, nuts, and food products. It was incorporated in 1891 in Austin, Minnesota. It is in consumer defensive sector. The closing price on July 31st is $32.11. Dividend yield is 3.52%. According to the analysts, the 1-year price target is $32.21. So the current price is almost at the similar level. According to the 5-year chart, it looks downtrading. It looks like a support zone at $28 to $38 price range. For valuation, the trailing PE is 22.94 and the forward PE is 18.90. So that means the analysts are expecting a rise in earnings in the near future. If I'm interested in this stock, I will look into that when the price falls to about $28 to $30 range. If you do not like the stock picking exercise, you can actually go with exchange traded funds. I have made several videos on exchange traded funds or ETFs recently. There is a playlist in the description box below. The third stock on my list is Kraft Heinz Company with a ticker symbol KHC. The market cap is $42.7 billion. The P ratio is 22.57 and the earnings per share is 1.56. It basically manufactures and markets food products worldwide. It was incorporated in 1869 and based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The closing price on July 31st, 2024 was $35.21. The dividend yield is 4.73%. If you look at the 5-year chart, it is uptrending according to the valuation measures. The trailing PE is about 14.78. The forward PE is 11.10. So that means the analysts are expecting a rise in earnings. Analyst price target is 37.45. So there is a slight upside potential, and there's a strong support at about $30, so I will consider it at this price range. The next stock on my list is United Parcel Service with the ticker symbol UPS. It's in the industrial sector. The market cap is $111.5 billion. The PE ratio is 21.27. The EPS is 6.13. Closing price on July 31st was $130.37. Dividend yield is 5%. And the analyst 1-year price target is $144.61, so there is some upside potential. If you look at the 5-year chart, the price has been falling since March of 2022 when the price was about $215. So the price has fallen approximately about 50%. If you look at the daily chart, the price dropped from $145 to about $125 on July 23rd, 2024. After the earnings release. If you look at the bottom left corner, you can see in the last quarter the earnings were missed, so that was the reason for the price drop on July 23rd. According to the valuation, the trailing PE is 21.27 and the forward PE is 17.09. Again, that indicates that they are expecting a rise in earnings, the analysts. The debt to equity is 155.10%, and that is expected for a capital intensive operation. The strong support is about $80 to $90 range from the COVID time, so if the price falls to that level, I will probably look into that a little bit more closely, but only time will tell. The last stock on my list is Crown Castle International Corporation with the ticker symbol CCI. It is in the real estate sector. The market cap is $47.8 billion. The PE ratio is 40.32. The earnings per share is 2.73. The closing price on July 31st, 2024 was $110.08. The dividend yield is 5.69%. According to the analyst, the 1-year price target is $110.88, which is at the current price level. If you look at the 5-year chart, the price is downtrending since the December 2021 high of about $208. So the share price has fallen by about 50% in 2.5 years. In terms of valuation, the trailing PE is 40.32 and the forward PE is 38.61. So again, analysts are expecting a slight increase in earnings, and the debt to equity is 520%. It is extremely high. If the share price of CCI drops to about $85 to $90 range, I will probably look into that more closely. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have found some value, please like and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy investing.